In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, click on Gear 1 instead. And select this section called voice typing. Activate it thanks to this switcher, and when it's blue, go back to your keyboard. Then tap on no visible microphone and hit while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. And now my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and select tiny icon that will appear right next to it on the left. This one. Then choose next. Select Done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it and place it wherever you want to. To delete text, use this button with an X. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!